issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northampton County, Virginia, until 4:45 p.m.
A single county.
At 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cape Charles to Norfolk Ness, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cape Charles, Bayview, and Sheridan around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Capeville, Bird's Nest, Chippewa Peak State Park, Jamesville, Eastville, Mashapongo, Wardtown, Franktown, Simpkins, and Townsend. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, V.